I'll walk you through the step-by-step methods to report MoneyGram fraud or a scam if you've just realized you've sent money to fraudsters. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get started. Every single second that ticks by increases the chances of a scammer walking out of a retail branch with your cash. So before we do anything, you need to understand the single most important rule of remittance networks: immediate global settlement. MoneyGram is designed to clear transactions almost instantly. If the scammer used the cash pickup delivery method and has already physically collected the funds at a retail counter, MoneyGram legally cannot reverse the ledger or refund the cash out of pocket. You are in a direct race against the clock. If the transaction was recent, you need to initiate an emergency cancel immediately. Pick up your phone and dial MoneyGram's dedicated fraud hotline at 1-800-926-9400 or their primary support center at 1-800-MoneyGram. When the automated voice gateway answers, loudly and clearly say the word fraud or scam to automatically bypass the standard customer service queue and route straight to a specialist. Give them your details. If the database layout still shows the transfer status as a pending or available for pickup, the agent can execute an instant system hold to permanently freeze the payout. If you prefer not to wait on a live phone queue, you can log the event digitally. Head directly to the official MoneyGram.com landing page. Scroll completely to the bottom of the footer layout and click the link that says Report Fraud. Fill out the encrypted, multi-field web form. In the What Can We Help You With? Field, and select Report Fraud. In the Who's Reporting the Fraud field, select the appropriate option. Enter your contact information and additional information. In the Message section, enter your 8-digit reference data and brief information about the scam. Also, copy any text from fraudulent emails or chat screenshots and paste them directly into the comments field. Once you submit this form, MoneyGram's compliance engine adds the scammer's name, phone number, and digital profile to its internal blacklist to block them from using the worldwide network again. If the money has already left the system or you are filing a formal report on their web interface, you need to provide an exact data blueprint. If you leave out a single tracking metric, the automated compliance system will auto-reject your claim. Make sure you have your physical or digital receipt ready and gather these for data points. Finally, head down to your local police station and file a formal police report. Request a physical copy of the report with a visible case number. MoneyGram's back-end security team often requires an official law enforcement case number before they are legally allowed to cooperate with your bank's fraud department to attempt a funds recall. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.